What's up, guys? It's DX Exotic here, and we're going to be doing a Madden video. So we're going to be opening up some packs, pro packs, large quick sales, doing a little video at the end, so stay tuned. We're going to be just seeing what we can do. There's also going to be a special pack that I've been saving up for, and I'm going to get in this video. So as you can see, open up a gold turkey, 75 overall wide receiver. I'm going to add all my players to sets. Wheel of quick sells, got 2,500 on that. So as you can see, my current amount of coins was about, I have 74,000 right now. So I'm just going to add a bunch of stuff to the sets before we get to opening up the packs. And, I don't know what to say. Because this video, I just wanted to make simply because it's the weekend and I don't have it really worked out a lot. And if you hear anything in the background, it's just the TV. So that if it goes silent, you can still hear something when I'm recording. So now we're going to open up the... Oh, never mind. We're going to we're going to look at training players just to see all my players. That's all my lineup. On defense, got offense, defense, special teams, whatever. So, I go to the items I have, and we're going to open up the Bonza pack or whatever it is. Showdown pack. Just gonna get like a center 59 overall bronze. Okay, time to open up my packs. So let's see what I will get while recording. Quick sales, I'm gonna open up the smaller one, so that's 250. Do too much. Was okay. Time for large quick sales. Didn't get anything too big. Thousands, the largest I got. So I think not this one. Didn't get anything good. 1,000, not the best. So my current coins are just going up. 2,500. So nothing big. Not anything big in here. 2,500, not that large. And as you see here, I think, no, it's the next one, next pack. I'm gonna open it up really quick because I didn't think I was gonna get anything good. But watch, just watch. Yep, just quick. Oh, I didn't get that. Yeah, 5,000. I think, it's pretty sure this one. 10,000. I didn't think I was gonna get anything good in that. So now we're gonna open up our pro packs. See what we get in our pro packs. Don't get anything good. I think in the next one we get a 24/7 player. Now we're just gonna open it up to get another punt returner better from my team. Just gonna update my team. Then that's all my players on the bench that I just got from opening up my pro packs. Now since we got 100,000, this is the special pack I was talking about. I'm going to Marketplace. And not in this. It's in featured. We're going to do all the legendary pack. So I just blew all my money just for you guys. Simply because I just want to have a better video. Just gonna blow all my money. I did have 200,000, but I wasted it on the new packs that came out, and then I had 100,000. Then I spent some more. So didn't get anything in the pro pack. Now time for the legendary pack. So not just an elite collectible. Wide receivers, I think I got like 3 or 4 golds in this. So I could sell those, but you'll see what I'll do with them later. I'm gonna put them in the. I'm gonna put that in the shield. Release shield. Put all my silvers in the gold player. Yeah. And then put that on. Now we got we got 4 golds now, plus the ones we got, and then they just gave me this Legends collectible pack for no reason. So put in the shields, Legend shields. Okay, now we got about 6 or 7 golds. Gonna go to my sets. Take all of the silver, put a few in, get another gold player. Open them up. I think I got like a 72. I think 72, 71, close enough. And then I realized I didn't have enough for that, so I go here, just put all my bronze in there. Go up, slide over. This is where I got all my quick sales from. 2 golds just for a large quick sale. And you saw that since I put 2 golds in the earlier, I got 10,000. That's basically getting my money back for about 1 player. And I got 11,000 in total. So now it's time to put silver in for just basically small quick sells, but it's just quick sells. And then last one I get right here. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna get out that. Go to my items. And I think I'm gonna be doing a Madden video every week, because it's not hard for me to get money anymore. But open up the small quick sales, basically 200, nothing special. Gonna open up the large quick sale, 2,500. I don't think that's too big, but you'll see how much money I'll end off with that. 70,500. I'm gonna end off with about 18,000 on the end of this video. Yeah. So collectible locker items, nothing. No, I think I'm gonna show the lineup. Yep. I just got the 84 overall center. I'm upgrading all my long shot players. I got JJ Watt, 84 middle linebacker. Yeah, all gold team. As you saw in the video, I just got that 70 overall punt returner. So, my phone fall. But like I said, I got a pretty good team. It's not the best. 81 overall. That's my 2 players that I favor the most. Yeah. Let's see. What are you gonna do? So this is the league I'm in. As you can see, there's nothing we can do right now. But as you see on the right, that's all the elites I got. And then 1 player got an elite. So, and I'm the 3rd and best in the league. So right now I'm going to challenge number 1 player. Like I said, there's going to be gameplay in this video. So we're going to play. I'm going to load it up. Okay. Now I normally get kick returns immediately on games like this or head to head. But I didn't this time. I got probably like 25 yards on this. Like 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, about 20, 25 yards. I'm gonna run this play. Gonna get sacked because I thought I had area, but I didn't. And I normally run this play a lot. And I try to find somebody open. Jimmy Graham was open. Tried to get the touchdown. Got ankle tackled. It told me to get completed a pass to my wide receiver. So as you see, I run the split play again. Try to get Antonio Gates open, and I get countered. So I couldn't get that extra challenge. So I just wanted to throw something up, just to see if I could get it. And looks like Antonio Gates got it. So I was pretty happy. And then we're gonna run another play to Jimmy Graham, and he doesn't catch that. It's deflected. Then we run a play action. Almost got sacked there, and then I find Jimmy Graham. Dot. So There you go. Going for 2 points. Look at Eddie Lacy. Caught that. And that's the 2 points. So now I'm in the lead with the number 1 player in my league. And that's basically the video right there. Except since we had more stuff to do, we're gonna probably do that in the next video. I don't know what packs I'm gonna open up. They might give new packs, but yeah.